Hey guys, I thought I'd show you a new shipment of leather hide that came in. This is all Horween leather. So I'll show a few of the pieces that I'm getting in today. This is quite dark, so a bit difficult to see, but this is the navy Chromexcel leather. I have two pieces of this. If you guys want any of these leathers for your handmade leather wallets or watch straps or anything like that, let me know. So this next piece is the English tan Dublin. You can see that natural character grain and the famous pull-up effect. I'll show you that on the Chromexcel as well. So you can see a little bit more of the blue coming through there. A little bit more like a grey, but it's quite nice. Next we have some Horween Chromexcel natural colour. Quite a few of these. This is one of our most popular leathers, and you can see why. It's this beautiful brown colour, natural striations and grain, and the pull-up effect, which is so good for natural Chromexcel. Such a beautiful leather. So these, we make pretty much all of our products out of. A couple of these pieces are set for some of our frontiersman wallet, but we have some spares, so if you guys are looking for any wallets, just let me know. Some more natural Chromexcel, very popular leather, so we get a lot of this in. You can see the nice pull-up effect. All of this is Horween leather, and there's a new piece that I've never had before that I'll show you soon. This is the brown Chromexcel leather. You can see it's a nice darker shade than the natural, and the pull-up is there. That looks a bit red, but it is actually not the burgundy. There is the burgundy here, and it's quite waxy, which I'm going to clean off, or rub in rather, but you can see the burgundy colour going through. But this is a beautiful piece. It'll look a lot nicer when it's nicely waxed in. Other than that, there is actually one piece that's not Horween. This is Britannia leather, La Britannia Invecchiato. It's an Italian leather that I stock in my store on our frontiersman wallets, and we're starting to do a few other products with it. But it's this beautiful sort of silky black, very Italian, veg tan looking. It's very nice leather. Minimal pull-up to none, but just a beautiful grain. And we make a few of our wallets, we offer a few of our wallets in this, but the frontiersman is our main wallet, offered in this black leather. So that's a beautiful colour there. Other than that, we've just started purchasing quite a cool specialty Horween leather. This is Horween MLB, so it's the Major League Baseball gloves leather. So Horween supplies the leather to make these sort of traditional gloves, and I thought I'd buy this leather just to try it out and see if I can make a wallet that sort of resembles the old school catching gloves of baseball. So yeah, it's such a cool, interesting color. It's quite dry and rustic, and it's got a beautiful suede on the inside, or underside rather. So that's the color. With this, I bought a special thread in this color to match some of the old school gloves. So if anyone's looking for a wallet made in this, I'm not sure yet what I'll cut it into. Probably the Frontiersman wallet to display our most popular bifold in it. But if you want any of this leather made in a specific wallet, let me know, and I'll see how much I have left. Other than that, we've got an order of some of our most popular threads. So this is the beige thread for a few orders I have to do today. And here's the black thread, which works very nicely with that Italian leather here. So that's the leather order for today. I hope you guys like seeing some of the leathers and the shipments that sort of come into our workshop. Thank you.